Hey, what's up? It's Kels Fox. Just doing an intro to this video. I had quite a few people watch my video on how to change the skin and the knobs on my MPC 1000, and a lot of people, I cut out the part where I actually opened up the MPC, which I did not need to do, to put the knobs on the front. But a lot of people have been trying to figure out how to open the MPC 1000. So I found the old footage. I'm just throwing this out there for you guys. It's unedited. So I don't know if I'm giving instructions when I put it all together or not, but just watch it and hopefully it'll help you. It was somewhat difficult. You pretty much have to take out all of the screws on the bottom, as well as some screws on the back of the housing, and take off the nuts that are around the audio inputs for record and the speaker output and everything like that. But I think I got most of it in the video captured for you guys. But be very careful. Like I said, the only thing this video is going to show you how to do is to get it open. I did not remove any electronics to change the pads if you guys are looking to do that. But I can at least get you inside the machine. So this is for you guys. Thanks. What's up, y'all? Your boy Kels Fox. I'm about to do a how-to video because I bought some stuff customizing my Akai MPC ONE, which is fairly new. And there's no videos on how to do stuff. I did upgrade the skin to camouflage. Got this off npcstuff.com. And now I'm going to change my buttons to be gold, which they sell, but they don't have any how-to videos on how to do stuff to the MPC Live or the MPC ONE or the newer versions of things. But I'm hoping this stuff fits. It says it fits on the website, but gold knobs and the jog wheel, the tones are slightly different, but you know, you won't be able to tell that much. These are sold individually. Excuse my dirty office / studio, but as you can see, there's 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I thought it was a set. It does say on the website that you have to buy them separately. But I ended up only buying one. So the other ones came today. So I should now have 4 knobs and a jog wheel. And so we're going to attempt to put this together ourselves and do a video, since npcstuff.com doesn't have any tutorials on how to do this. I did make changes in the past to like my MPC 60 Mark II, my MPC 5000, I think that was I had, or 6000 or something like that. Changed the pads and stuff on that, but I think I did some stuff to my 1000 also. But first time for this MPC Live. I've had it a couple of months, so just making some changes. Here are the other knobs. Yeah, so I have 4. All right, so we're gonna start by trying to figure out how to open this thing up. Got my electrical Phillips head screwdriver here. And I will speed the video up just to go through, but I'll show you to let you know on the MPC ONE what screws you have to take out to get it open. And again, all of this is gonna be trial and error. So here you go. Let's check it out. Okay, so I just took out 6 screws. The 4 corner screws, 3, 4, and 2 on the sides. Let's see what this gives us access to, if anything. All right, let's try it. It's not opening, and I'm not trying to put too much pressure on anything, because usually it would be the corners and not like all of these are usually holding other components. I don't want to take all those screws out. It shouldn't be that difficult, I would think. But I'm not getting anything. Let me see. There's no screws in the sides, no screws in the front. So maybe that's like that. That's like that. Don't know if it snaps on some kind of way or. Okay. Let's take off some more screws. Oh wait, I have 2 more screws here. So let's remove those and see. Maybe that'll let it come loose. And 2. That's 10 screws out so far. Oh, I have a little bit of movement here. Let's see. Let's take this little safety thing off. I don't think that's makes a difference, but hey, who knows? Might be holding it together. So let's take that off just to be safe. Oh yeah, I can see some separation, but of course there's, ooh, I don't think I would have to take those off. The nuts for the jacks here, maybe I do. I don't have a wrench with me right now, but I'm gonna take the feet off and see if maybe that's holding it together also. So let's take these 4. See if we can get inside this puppy. It's 1. And these other screws should not have to come out on the bottom. They should be holding components to the unit, I would think. I could be wrong, but figure it out, because there's like literally no videos on how to open up an MPC One or MPC Live that I was able to find in searching around. Because trust me, I would have rather followed the video than be the guinea pig and create my own and jack up my new machine. All right, let's see what we got now. So I've taken the feet off. And let's see if we can get this open somehow. So I don't know if it slides off or what. I'm sure I need something to pry this open. Let's take my feet and move them so we don't lose those puppies. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna get my pry tool here. See if maybe that'll work. This is pieces here actually from fixing screens on iPhones. But they come in handy today. Okay, so I have ended up taking all of the screws off the back. Let's see what we get. Seems really loose now. Oh, we have access, people. We have access. So, okay, you actually do have to remove all of the screws in the back. Now, there's a little gold hole right in the center. That screw was shorter than all the other ones. So when you're putting your screws back, make sure you remember that. In the center was a short screw. Okay. And let's go ahead and open this up. See what we got to do. Okay, so it's looking like to get this part off, you have to get it over the power button or something, it looks like, because here it's not coming loose. And again, I think it's what I said though. I think see, this should be connected. This should be one piece. This lid seems like that's what should come off. And everything else should be connected. Oh my gosh. There's a lot going on inside here. So we have this finally pried open. But we have issues right now at the top. But I believe I have to remove these 4 nuts. So let me go get a wrench and I'll be right back. Look at there. That did it. Here's the base. We're inside the MPC ONE, ladies and gentlemen. Oh boy. And yeah, looking at how this is made on the inside, let's sit this to the side. You do have to take all of those screws out because it's holding down, everything is bolted down. But that is not getting me to the knobs, and I'm very scared to take anything further apart because now you're into the brains of the machine and everything, and I am not trying to do that. So I may either send these knobs back because you can't access them like that. There's no, now the new knobs have a little screw on them, but these, I don't think they just pull off. Look at that. I took it apart for nothing. The screws are just right here. They just pull off. Don't ask me why I didn't do that in the beginning, but they just come right off. Don't even have to open it up. Duh. Jog wheel too. I'm stupid. Okay, so let's put this back together before we screw something up really, really bad. All right, I'll be back.